everybody, it's Mrs. Cassell, and I'm going to show you how you can use Cami to take a Google Doc and a PDF and merge them into one document. So I'm going to search for Cami, which you'll see lots of things that come up here, but Cami app is the name of the application that we're going to use. So I can also put up in my address bar and you'll see it autofills for me. You have a student account to this linked to your Google account, so I'm going to choose log in up here and I'll choose continue with Google. It's going to make sure that it's me and then ask for permission to access my Google Drive. I want this. I want it to be able to look at my documents and help me make changes to them. So once I confirm that, there's a bunch of different options that are here, and this is worth exploring another time. But what we want to do is merge two documents to create one. So right here is an option that says split and merge. Lots of PDF editors put these two functions together, splitting up a document into two or more, or merging two or more documents into one. So I'm going to click split and merge. So the first thing here, it's super easy. I can drag and drop, or I'm going to click the little Google Drive icon and go find my two documents. If you've been very organized, you know exactly where they are, and hopefully they're in a folder associated with your class. I'm going to pick some random things from my Google Drive. So let's say here's a Google Doc that I have that I want to include. So I can pick more than one at a time, but I'll do them individually here so you can see. I'll click that 10th grade Solar Probe mission summary document. But I also want to add a PDF that I have. So I'm going to go fetch someone. I'm just going to look through until I see one that's a PDF. Here we go. Choice Practice PDF with a Sudoku on it, no less. So I'm going to go ahead and select that PDF. And now I'll have two documents listed right here. I'm going to click the Next button. And you'll see that the first thing it starts is in split mode. At first it's showing you every individual page. And on a different assignment, you can actually drag and drop these pages to rearrange things. But we want to merge these. So I'm going to go up here to the top and select Merge Mode, which is fun to say. And you'll see here it shows there's 9 pages for my first document, and then I'm going to tack on one more at the end. Up here, it says Export All. I click Export All. And because you are working on your Chromebook probably, I'm going to put this in my Google Drive. You can select your folder or just save it directly to your Google Drive. All done. What do you know? It's complete. So if I pop open my drive and look at my recent documents, it's going to be right up there at the top. So when I click recent, once it loads, you'll see here, it's got Cami Export and it's got a crazy name. So you will want to right click and rename that something that makes sense, like Career Exploration Essay and Bibliography. Whatever your title is, that's the one I made up. But now when I open it, you'll see it's a PDF. It's no longer a file I can edit, so it's a final copy. It's the thing you do when you're done. But there's all the pages of my essay, followed by, at the very end, the PDF that I attached, so that it's all together in one document. I hope this helps you guys complete your project. Good luck.